Hi students, today we are going to discuss about addition of vectors in a motion in a plane lesson, that is vector topic. First one, addition of two vectors in same direction. How can you add the two vectors in same direction? Let us consider the two vectors a bar and b bar are in same direction. Then their resultant is obtained. Resultant means sum. Then their resultant sum is obtained by adding their vector lengths. How can you add? Let us consider a bar is a vector here and b bar is another vector having different lengths, and join these two. Okay, this is the a bar vector and this is the b bar vector. We are adding the vector lengths. A bar vector length and b bar vector length we are joining. Then we are getting the resultant vector, that is c bar. Here this is the resultant vector. That resultant vector c bar is equal to a bar plus b bar here. Okay, like this we are going to add two vectors in same direction. Second one, addition of two vectors in opposite direction. Addition of two vectors in opposite direction. If two vectors a bar and b bar are mutually opposite in direction, a bar and b bar are mutually opposite in direction, then the resultant is obtained by subtracting the length of the smaller vector from the larger vector. Okay, by subtracting the length of the smaller vector from the larger vector. Let a bar is the larger vector having vector length, b bar is a vector having smaller length. Subtracting the smaller length vector b bar from larger length vector a bar. Okay, then we are going to get the resultant like this. Therefore, c bar is equal to, we are going to write a bar plus of minus b bar. Like this, we are going to separate the addition of two vectors in opposite direction by subtracting the length of the smaller vector from the length of the larger vector. Then we are going to get the resultant c bar equal to a bar plus of minus b bar. And third one, addition of two vectors mutually inclined. Addition of two vectors inclined mutually. Means they are going to do some angle. Let us consider a bar is one vector and b bar is another vector here. How can you add two vectors? These are mutually. Okay. Now first join the initial point of b bar to final point of a bar. Initial point of b bar to final point of a bar. First we have to join. Then the resultant. Then obtain the resultant. The c bar. Resultant is the c bar. By joining the initial point of c bar. Means by joining the initial point of a bar to final point of b bar, then we are going to get the resultant, that is c bar equal to a bar plus b bar. Like this we are going to add the two vectors. They are inclined mutually. Okay. Now subtraction of vectors. How can you subtract the vectors? Subtraction of vectors. The subtraction of vector b bar. The subtraction of the vector b bar from the vector a bar. Is same as the addition of minus b bar to a bar. Okay, the subtraction of vector b bar from the vector a bar is same as the addition of minus b bar to a bar. Okay, now let us consider the two vectors here. This is a vector a bar and this is a vector b bar. Now angle between the two vectors is theta. Now move the b bar vector parallel here. We are getting the negative vector minus b bar. Now this is the resultant vector, that is c bar equal to a bar minus b bar. Let O be the origin. Now the angle is here 180 minus theta. Okay, this is the angle is 180 minus theta. Therefore, like this, we are going to get the subtraction vector, that is c bar equal to a bar minus b bar. Therefore, we are writing the condition a bar minus b bar equal to a bar plus of minus b bar. By adding up minus b bar to a bar is equal to the subtraction of b bar from a bar. Therefore, a bar minus b bar equal to a bar plus of minus b bar. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Please share it, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.